Student Voices, the podcast where we dive into real stories, real journeys, and real inspiration. Today, we're talking about unexpected career paths and how sometimes our biggest dreams as a child transform into something even more meaningful as we grow.
We sat down with four students to hear their talk after an inspiring interview with one of their lecturers who once dreamed of becoming a doctor but found her true calling as a lecturer. Here what they had to say.
Let's
to
go!
get the videos.
Excited!
When I was a child, often dreamed to be a doctor. Yeah, so as you guys know that right now I'm not a doctor. Through the times I learned and as I learn and I grew up, then I find I find jobs which is to be a doctor. Yeah, of course. With my stories previously, as you know, guys, you already heard that when I'm a child, I was dreaming as a doctor, yeah, but now I'm a doctor, so yeah, it's quite. Yeah, yeah, might seem like a different one, but I hope it sounds like there, but yeah, I think it's true. Except maybe in my first year in bachelor degree, yeah, because I get my bachelor degree from business management. So I already pursuing another job actually, and because my bachelor degree is business area, so I try several years to entering the entertainment world. In education as a lecturer, like maybe because I see that in the current situation, yeah, I already get my master degrees as well. And I saw lots of my lectures previously. They can meet lots of people, connect with people, and sharing knowledge. That brings me to this place right now. Yeah, so uh, beside that, maybe also because my parents. My current job, yeah, as I said before, maybe the most enjoyable things that I can get right now is to meet guys, meet new people, connect with a lot of people, and then experiencing new phase in my life because previously I never been a lecturer before. Yeah. So there's a very gap between being a student like you guys right now and become a lecturer, yeah, and sharing knowledge as well. Thank you very much. Since I was inspired and parts with us, we really appreciate your time and your insight. Okay, we learned.
When I heard her story about wanting to become a doctor at the first, but ending up as a lecturer, I was really moved. It made me realize that life doesn't always go the way we plan, but sometimes the unexpected path can lead to something even better. I really admire how she stayed grateful and embraced the journey.
Right, I really agree. How about you, Nisha? So for me, the most impressive is she did not land her dream job, and as we know, she spent 7 years for trying to build a businesswoman as an entrepreneur. And that shows how career paths are not always straight. But if we keep trying and stay open to opportunities, we will eventually find our way. I find that super relatable as a student still figuring things out.
Exactly. I love how she said her inspiration to become a lecturer come from her own college professor
and also from her parents' support. It reminded me how much our environment and the people around us can shape our future. When she talked about how lecturers get to meet and connect with so many people, I thought, wow, actually, that sounds really exciting.
And I feel like she the kind of person who always look on the bright side, even though she didn't end up becoming a doctor. She clearly found joy and meaning in being a lecturer. She excited to meet students, gain new experience. It really taught me to be more flexible and grateful in whatever path life may takes me on.
Wow. Okay. Such powerful reflection from our students. It's a great reminder to our journey doesn't have to look exactly like we imagine when we are kids, and that's perfectly okay.
And sometimes the detour becomes the destinations. And thanks for turning into student voice. And until the next time, keep trying, keep learning, and keep growing.
Bye bye.
Bye.
A few moments later.
Aneh sih. Apa yang kurang?
Kok pukul kami itu?
Started at the first, but ending up as a lecture, I was really moved. It made me realize that life doesn't always go the way we plan. Sometimes the unexpected.
Right?
What's wrong with you? I loved how she